The Fast Track Approvals Bill concentrates a huge amount of power in the hands of just 3 Crown ministers, and there are, deliberately, very few legal limits on their decisions. Most draft laws of this kind have a Treaty of Waitangi clause. This draft law does not include a clause like this. The absence of this clause is a signal in itself that Te Tiriti and the customary rights it affirms is not a significant consideration in a process to approve large-scale projects that could do real damage to the environment. We hope that the leverage of the international foundation that you are a representative of today will provide some leverage to our voice and provide the direction of guidance in which this government need to take. I know that this is a different face, a different place, but it's the same story you have heard 1,000 times.